What's up guys? Welcome to a new video on the channel Carful. Today we are going to talk about the Xiaomi Mi Box S. It's an Android-driven TV box with Google Chromecast built in and a lot of other features. So stay tuned. First we will do the unboxing and then we will do the installation step by step. A quick reminder to subscribe to my channel to help me out to bring out some new content. Thanks in advance, guys. And here it is then. Very small but very powerful. It just fits in the hand. A very small user guide and some other paper stuff like warranty and so on. Then we have the power supply, a HDMI cable, and of course a very handy and necessary remote control with a microphone button to use Google Assistant. Here are all the connectors. To the left, the small round one for the ear jack or the soundbar. Then the HDMI connector. Next, the USB connector. And to the right, the one for the power supply. Now the installation. I used the HDMI 1 port on my TV, then I plugged in the power supply and it started right up. First it said hi, then the remote control popped up with a reminder to put in some AAA batteries. Then it showed that we had to push the button of the remote control, and it had some difficulties to connect because I was a bit far away. You have to stand real close to the box. And then it started to go quickly. First, choose the language. Then it asks you if you want to use your Android phone or a tablet to do the installation, or to skip that. I did skip it. Then you had to choose your Wi-Fi connection and give in a password. Here it said that it was connected. Again, you had to choose between the remote control or a PC or a phone. Then you had to log in your Google account. And while I was doing that, a very strange thing happened. The screen turned green like this, and it restored after a while, but this still happens now when I'm using the box, and it does that once or twice within an hour. So if any of you tech guys know what this could cause and what the solution is, please let me know in the comment section below. It would be very helpful and very much appreciated, of course. So when that was done, you had to choose a name for the box. Then it asked you if you wanted to install the standard apps. And then a small walk around popped up to help you feel comfortable with the screens. And we're done here. So this is a wrap for this episode. If you liked it, consider subscribing. And if you have any questions, please use the comment section below. Stay careful, and I will see you very soon.